This is a quick tutorial on how to use Screencast-o-Matic to record a screencast, a narrated screencast where you show things on your computer and talk to the screen, or have your video and voice over the screen, or you can use it to record PowerPoints. So Screencast-o-Matic, there's dashes between the O in the URL, Screencast-o-Matic.com. That will take you to this homepage. All you have to do, this is completely free, you don't even have to log in or sign up or anything, just launch free recorder, okay? And you get this little kind of dashed window. You can either stretch the little dashed border to what you want to record, or you can select record full screen, or you can select different sizes of the screen. I'm going to say full screen because I'm going to demonstrate how to do a PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to have the PowerPoint on full screen. So here we go. All right, so I've got full screen now, and there's lots of options here. I can record the computer audio. If I choose to have a video inside or some kind of a sound coming out of my computer, then I can say yes, record the computer audio. Notice that it's recording, it's giving me a green measurement of how loud I am in the narration. I can click this and I can actually select my microphone. I can also select my webcam. If I choose to have a webcam, I can select the webcam I want to use. And so there's lots of options. Okay, it just kind of went away. I said cancel. So let me get that recorder launched again. And I'm going to go ahead and say full screen. Okay, here we go. So now what I want to do is, before I start recording anything, I want to get my PowerPoint slide up. And I'll go ahead and pull up this one. Alrighty, and so I've got my PowerPoint ready to go, and I go ahead and I say, okay, now I'm going to record my PowerPoint. So I turn on the PowerPoint slideshow, and there it is, taking over my entire screen. All right, I'm ready to start my presentation. I click record in the lower left corner, record button, counts me down. And now I go ahead and begin my presentation. I can, now I can click, I have to click on the window. Right now it's in the record mode. I have to click on the actual window for it to begin, for me to be able to move my PowerPoint back and forth. And so as I do that, I'm recording and talking to my PowerPoint presentation and so forth, okay? And so when I'm finished, I go ahead and click on the pause button down at the lower left, and it's got me on pause. And if I click record again, so as I'm recording my PowerPoint presentation, I want to take a moment to think about what I'm going to say next. I can click that pause button. When I'm ready to go again, I can click record and continue my presentation. Counts me down. I have to click on the presentation for me to be able to move it forward. Okay. When I'm finished, again, I click the pause, and then I click the done button right there, the done. Let me just hold on one second. I'm going to record one more time. I'm going to go just a little, counts me down. Okay. And I go a little further, and here I am. Now I click pause. Now I'm finished. I can either throw it away or say I'm finished. Now I'm going to click save or upload. And I have a couple choices. I can upload the video to Screencast-o-Matic, but if I do that, I have to have an account. And I believe it has to be a paid account. My other option in uploading is to upload to, let's see if it lets me do it. Okay, you can also upload it to a, so you can also upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, your Google Drive, or Dropbox. So those are options in the cloud, so it doesn't take up room on your hard drive. So if you have a Google Drive, you click that and then you sign in and you can upload it to there, or same with Dropbox. Same with your YouTube if you have a YouTube account, okay? If you say Screencast-o-Matic, again, you have to have a Screencast-o-Matic account, and I believe you have to pay to be able to upload files. It might give you 2 free files to upload to their cloud. I'm not sure, so you might have to explore that. I'm going to say save as a video file. It saves it to my hard drive, and I'm going to say now publish. So now I have to have a little room on my hard drive to be able to save this file. It takes a second. I can even say continue in background while I go do other work, especially if you have a long file. Although if you have a bad internet connection, you might want to just walk away for a little bit while it processes. If you have a bad internet connection, you don't want to lose that file. Okay, there it is, it's done. I'm going to say play my video and take a look at it. Now I go ahead and begin my presentation. Okay. I can, now I can click. So here's everything I was talking about, right? Okay. All right. I go a little further. Okay. And here I am. So there's my presentation. It saved it to my computer. Now I want to see where it saved it to. I'm going to say browse folder. And there it is. It's in my desktop, in my temp file on my desktop. So there it is. And if I want to look at it and see how big it is, I can, let's see, I can go into view. And I can say view the details, and it tells me that this is 3 megabytes, okay? Yours is gonna be longer if you do a 10-minute recording. It's gonna be a little bit longer, probably, I'm gonna say 60, 70 megabytes maybe for 10 minutes. So you have to have enough room on your computer to save it there. All right, so here's that file, and now I'm ready to actually upload it. I can upload it to YouTube now. I can go to YouTube and say upload this video and share it that way. Or you can save it to Dropbox or your Google Drive and share it that way. It's probably going to be too big for you to email it. You're not going to be able to email it, okay? So it's an MP4 file. You need to figure out a way to share a large file with whoever you want to share it with. Again, you can upload it to YouTube if you want to and share it that way. And that's really simple. So I have a YouTube account. You say create you just say upload that video. It asks you what video do you want to upload. Takes a sec. Click on that. And then I go find that little video that I just created. So here we go. And I know it's in my temp file, so I'm going to go find that temp file. Here we go. Right there. Whoops. There it is. And so I double click it. It uploads it to YouTube. And then from YouTube, I can go ahead and share. Here's the video link that I can share. And then I'm all set. And there it is forever in YouTube until you delete it. Otherwise, it's there for everybody. And one of the things about YouTube that you want to make sure is you want to say, no, it's not made for kids. You want to say next. And then you want to say, go ahead and click on next. And then you say publish. And you want to publish it. You can either publish it as unlisted or public. If you publish it as unlisted, then just people with a link can see it. If it's public, then people can kind of search around and they might bump into it, okay? So it's up to you. And then I'll say unlisted, and there it is. And then I've got that URL right here, and I can share that URL, and my video is available to people that I share the link to. Okay, I hope that's helpful. And again, Screencast-o-Matic is amazing. It's so simple to use, and it works right in the cloud. You don't have to download anything except that final video that you create. All right, thank you.